welcome back to Technology Brewski. My fire alarm just came into mail today from Amazon, so let's open it up. Alright, I'm going to pull it. Oh! It's in another box. Alright. Here's what it looks like. Pull it out of the box. Oh, it comes with the keys. Let's go. So these are what the keys look like. And then the moment of truth, Dad. Ready?
All right, let's hear, buddy. Whoa!
Oh! Look at this. I've been waiting. You know how much guys, I wanted this? Since I was literally 6. That was back in 2024. But now I'm 8. So that was 2 years ago? I got it. Okay, Dad.
So how's it work?
Okay. And then I reset it. It's kind of hard to reset. Oh. Oh!
Wow.
And then you don't even have to reset it, Dad. You can just leave it like that.
Okay.
That's cool. All right, that's the